Welcome to Eventbaja. In this video, we'll be checking out the inquiry process of Eventbaja. So for that, let's first log into the system. Once we have logged in, we'll be searching for our product which we want to place an inquiry for. But this time we'll be taking a business venue and we'll be searching for this particular business name. So here we have got the product, and by clicking on this product name we'll be redirected to the product's detail page. Once on the details page, we are able to see all the details regarding this product. Now we'll be clicking on send an inquiry button, which will redirect us to this send an inquiry page, where we'll be able to see and change delivery address for this current inquiry. We can also change the date of inquiry, and we can now go ahead and suggest an inquiry name. I'll just go and say that I need more discount on this product. And we'll be providing some description that can we have some extra discount on this product, and just like that we'll be sending an inquiry by clicking on this send inquiry button. Once the inquiry has been sent, we'll be able to see this page which confirms that our inquiry has been placed successfully, and by clicking on this view inquiry button we'll be able to check our inquiry page. Now we have placed this inquiry. We can see that in inquiry listing page we are having a close button. We can do the copy of same inquiry by clicking on this inquiry copy button. We can edit the inquiry if we want to do if we have missed out on something, we can click on this edit button and do edit. And by clicking on this inquiry details page, a details button, we'll be able to see inquiry details over here. So all the details related to this inquiry are available over here. Now let's move to the vendor's end and check how will the vendor be able to see everything. After we have logged into the vendors end, we'll directly go to the inquiry section. Here we'll be able to see the list of inquiry, and here we can see that one inquiry has been placed. This is the listing page. Over here we have send quote button, with the help of which we can send our quote, or even we can move to inquiry details page and also see that send quote button is over here. So we can see over here that he wants some extra discount on this product. Let's move in and we'll do like for this medium room, let's say we want to offer this for 550 rupees, and we'll give him veg plate for a total of 90 rupees per plate, and non-veg will be doing 110 rupees per plate. So we have provided in some discount, and we'll say that this is the best we can offer from our end. Once we have done that, we'll just click on send quote, and similarly like from vendor end will be able to see this page, and they will see that the quote has been sent successfully. By clicking on this view quote button, we'll be redirected to this quote listing page, where we are able to see the quote. And if we go to if you want to see details, we can click on this view details and go to the quote details page, or else if you want to edit the quote, we can click on edit button and edit the quote as well. In details page as well, we are able to see this edit button, and this is the details of the quote, and this is the section where the comment from vendor's end is displayed. Similarly, if we move to inquiry back again, we now see a new button over here which is view quote, and if we click on this view quote button, we can see that we are again redirected to the inquiry details page, and we can see that associated code with inquiry has been displayed below the details of code, and we can again do edit or go to details page of this code over here as well. Now once again, let's move back to the customers end. So now we are logged into the customers end. Let's go to the inquiry section. Now we can see over here we are also having a new button over here as view quote. So let's click on that. We are again redirected to the inquiry details, and again if we click on view quote, we are redirected over here, and over here we can see accept and checkout. So once the vendor has shared us a code, if we are satisfied with the code, we can go ahead and do accept and checkout, or we can do a reject as well. And now let's go to the quote listing page to see all the codes. So we are again over here in the quote listing page, where as well we are able to see this accept and checkout, and if you do not want to accept, we can reject it as well. And we can click on this quote details button and move back to this quote details page. Over here we'll be able to see the customer vendors and comment, and if you want to see the associated code for which this inquiry has been associated inquiry for which this code has been placed, we can simply click on this inquiry details button and will be redirected to inquiry details, where we can again see our code over here. So let's go ahead and do accept and checkout from this section. So we are now redirected to process to checkout page, or a purchasing page, where we can see that this was the offer from vendor which we accept and we would like to proceed with that. So let's do proceed to pay. We have our payment gateway opened. We'll just put the number and the email over here and do proceed. Now we will go to net banking and just select ICICI Bank, pay, and we'll just do a success. Once the payment has been done successfully, booking has been created. We will now move to track booking, and we can see over here that booking successful message was also displayed, and we can see that this booking has been made on this date, booking for this date, and we can go and see the details of this booking over here. And now if we go back again to the inquiry page, we can see that inquiry has been closed. We no longer have view code button over here, and if we go to the inquiry details page, we can see that the status of this code has been changed to accepted, and we can view our order details over here. So we'll click on this or view our order details, and will be redirected to the booking details page, where we are having our transaction ID and all related calculations and stuff over here. Thank you.